Bathroom cleaning is never fun. All that grime buildup on your shower door, tile, and grout, along with soap deposits. It's nasty.
Ow!
Well, this weekend's new Tulu 2 will help you blast through it faster, easier, and more effectively than ever. The Drillbrush Power Scrubber Set is a 10-piece drill-powered scrub brush and pad kit that will ensure you always have the right tools for the job. And dare I say, it even makes it kind of fun. I said kind of. The Drillbrush Power Scrubber was invented in 2005 by a car wash owner, electrician, and former bodybuilder, and was initially created as a way to scrub rims at his car wash without agitating his carpal tunnel.
That's a good idea!
Over time, customers fell in love with the idea of a drill-powered brush, and soon after, Drillbrush was born. It's great not only for bathrooms and tire rims, but also boat cleaning and just about anything else you can think of that needs a good power scrub. Use the 4-inch brush for flat surfaces, the bullet-shaped original style brush for corners and contours, and a 2-inch brush for spot cleaning and detailing. All brushes feature medium yellow non-scratch nylon bristles and a 1/4 quick change shaft, which is compatible with all standard cordless drills. Along with the brushes are 6 buffing pads, 2 in soft white, 2 in medium blue, and 2 in stiff red. And you heard that right. These all attach right to your cordless drill using the included hook and loop backer and adapter, and can be used to polish and scrub shower glass, mirrors, porcelain, and more. Drillbrush is a must-have for homeowners, DIYers, and cleaning pros alike. The Drillbrush Power Scrubber Set goes for about $18 depending on where you get it. It's also made right here in the US of A.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to like and subscribe.